Hey guys, today I would like to talk to you about Microsoft Azure, which is yet another one of Microsoft's applications. So today we're going to look at resource groups and virtual machines. So let's go ahead and go to resource groups because we're going to have to use those later. So I've been playing around with my little resource groups these last couple of weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and add another one. Let's go ahead and get this started. Create a resource group, and of course my subscription is going to be a free trial. And you do have the option to upgrade your subscription. It's just a small fee. I'm going to go ahead and create this and just get me a generic resource group name up there. There we go, we'll just use that. So let's go to tags next. And I already have a couple of tags in there. If you don't have any tags, you can just type them in. It's just the name that you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and create this because I passed the validation. That means I don't need to edit anything. So I got my resource group created according to this notification. So let's go ahead and just refresh real quick and see if that appears. And there it is right here. So that's perfect. We're going to actually use this for our virtual machine. So let's go over to the virtual machine and see how that's going. Okay, so you see here that I don't have any virtual machines. I was playing around with it, and it actually isn't going to let me create more than a couple since I do have that subscription. So I went in a while ago and deleted a couple of those. Got it all cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead and start creating this virtual machine. You'll start with the basics. I have the free trial, of course. Let's go ahead and choose an existing group, and this is the one we just created, so let's go ahead and use this. Let's go ahead and name our virtual machine. We're going to just name it, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and keep the rest of these. You do have to select the size of the group. There we go. So, I'm just looking for this was letting me do it for free. I don't understand what's happening here. Alright, let's just do virtual machine. There we go. Let's add some filters and just get the free one up here. This was autofilling. I don't understand what's going on here. But let's go ahead and change this. Central, no structure required. Change our image to red hat. Or we can do Windows Server 2019. Linux. Value must not be empty. Okay. So it looks like it's going to be a little tricky today. It was working just fine a couple of minutes ago. Let's go ahead. Now it's asking me to purchase something. It was just autofilling that a while ago. I don't know what happened to that autofill, but that's okay. We'll just continue on. So you'll have to create a username. Just going to go ahead and do that. And these passwords are rather long, so let's go ahead and get that in there. And I love how it pops up those little notes beside here to let you know if you're getting it done or not. If you're getting her done. Okay, so we use the premium SSD, so that's just fine. It's going to give us an error because we don't have any disks created right now. So, it's okay. We can create a disk. So usually it'll pop up, create a disk over here whenever you have that size of your basics right here. Usually this pops up a size and it will give you a size. But I guess since I have the free subscription, I've been creating a couple of these guys that it's not going to let me select a size that's free, so that's okay. But yeah, usually the disk pops up here. You'll just create a disk, go to networking, always just keep these guys good to go. Just use the default settings since I do use the free version of this. Just click through those. We do have to add a tag right here. Get a demo 1. There we go. Next, we're going to review and create. Usually it says validation approved, but because we aren't able to put that size on there because I have the free trial, then, and usually when you first get on here and you have the free trial, it doesn't do this. So it's just doing it because I've created a couple of different things. So when things do go according to plan, you wait for that green validation approved, and you just click create. After you click create, it's going to show up in your notifications just like that resource group did, and all you'll have to do is open the virtual machine. So after you got it created in the notification, it takes just a minute to create it. You could go through it to your notifications, or it will pop up here and you can click on that and open it. I do apologize that it decided to act a little funky right now, but I do appreciate your time today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, you guys.